Welcome back. This is the continuation of what solved examples and exercises on sets that we are considering. This is the continuation of a series of lessons on sets. We are still looking at what solved examples and what exercises on sets. This is the continuation. Yes, in the previous video we solved a fractional set that had what two terms. So in this video we are also going to consider another fractional set that has two terms. We have to simplify. So this is what a fractional set, and this is another fractional set. We have to subtract them. We are simplifying. So this fractional set has what two terms. Okay, so what did we learn? We learned that whenever you are given two fractional sets to simplify, either to add or subtract. Well, first of all, we have to look at the conjugate of the denominators. Sorry, you have to look at the denominators. If the denominators are conjugates, then you have to what? You have to find the LCM. You have to add or subtract by finding the LCM. However, if the conjugates are not if the denominators are not conjugates, then don't bother yourself. Don't worry yourself to find the LCM. You have to simplify the fractional the first term separately, simplify the second term separately, and then what? You just you find the subtraction or the addition. Yes, so that's what we are saying. So what is the conjugate of the what is the denominator of the first term? Is what? Square root of 3 minus what? 1. And what is what? The denominator of the second term. The denominator of the second term is what? 2 plus square root of what? 3. Another 2 with 3. What is the conjugate of this? The conjugate of this is what? The square root of what? 3 plus what? 1. So this is the conjugate. The conjugate of the denominator is this. The conjugate of the denominator is what? 2 minus what? Square root of 3. So you can conclude that these denominators, square root of 3 minus 1 and 2 plus square root of 3, are not what? Conjugate. Therefore, you cannot simplify this given fractional set that has two terms by finding the LCM. So we will simplify this term separately. That I will simplify this term, then we subtract the result. So we are saying solution. You note how to know that we are saying that the product of the denominators does not give a difference of two squares, or the denominators are not conjugate. So we rationalize each term separately. We rationalize each term separately. Yes. Yeah, so whenever you are given a fractional set to either add or subtract, and the denominators are not conjugate, then you have to what? You have to rationalize each term separately. After that, you have to the result you have to add or subtract depending on the question. So means that we are going to what? Rationalize this, and then we rationalize it. So what we get, then at the end of the day, we subtract the results. So guys, let us do that in the next page. On the next page, sorry, let us do that on the next page because you don't have enough space here. So let us go to the next page, guys. Thank you. Yes, so this is it. Let's continue, guys. So this is the question, the previous distance. So this is the question. Okay, fine. So let us. So since the denominators are not conjugate, you have to what? You rationalize this term separately, and after that we rationalize this term. Then we have, so this is equal to. So we leave this. You come and put the result here. Then we subtract. So this is what we are given. So you take the first term. The first term is what? 2 plus square root of what? Square root of 3 over what? Square root of 3 minus what? 1. So this is the first term. Rationalize or divide this term separately. So if you are giving this, so this is a fractional term that has only what? A fractional set that has only one term. So if you want to divide or rationalize it, you have to look at the conjugate of what? Of the denominator. The conjugate of the denominator is square root of 3 plus 1. So you write the same set as we said, plus what? Square root of 3 all about square root of 3 minus 1. So this is what? This is the given set. Then you multiply the given set, then the what do we call it? The numerator by the conjugate of this, which is what? Conjugate of this is so square root of 3. So square root of what? 3 plus 1. So this is the conjugate. Then we divide by the same one. Conjugate square root of 3 plus what? Plus 1. Okay. Yes. So that's what we do. So this is equal to what? It's equal to these two will go multiply. So we have these two multiplying the whole square root of what? 3 plus 1. Okay. And then this positive square root of 3. This is a plus. So, and then we have this plus square root of 3. We also go and multiply the same square root of 3 plus what? 1. Okay. And then all over this one, this time write the answer straight. They are conjugate. They are conjugate. Therefore, their product is what? Difference of two squares. So the answer you get for this the product is what? The square root of what? 3 all squared minus what? 1 squared, which is what? You get 3 minus 1, which is what? 2. You get 2. So you get to write the answer here. So I'll write a square root of 3 here. All squared minus what? 1. Or what? All squared or 1 squared. Yes, so let me continue. So this is equal to what? Then 2 times square root of 3, you get 2 root what? 3. Then 2 times 1 plus what? 2 times 1, which is what? 2. Then when you come here, plus square root of 3 times square root of 3, you get square root of what? 9. 3 times 3, then other one square root sign, so square root of 9, okay? Then square root of 3 times 1, you get plus what? Square root of what? 3. All over, this is what? This is 3. You get, this is the same as square root of 3 times square root of 3. Square root of 3 all squared, the same as what? Square root of 3 times square root of 3, you get square root of 9, which is what? 3. So that's why this one cancels this and we get what? We get 3. So we get 3 minus 1 here, okay? So this is equal to everything. So we have, you group the cells together and then the rational numbers or integers together. So you have 2 root what? 2 root 3. Or if you like, let us write the numbers first. Okay, let's write the numbers first. So we have, this one is 2, so you can write the 2 first, and then this one square root of 9 is what? 3. You get 3, so you get plus what? 3, and then you get what? Plus, this is plus 2 root what? Plus 2 root what? Root 3, then plus what? Plus this root 3. Okay, plus root 3. Okay, and all divided by what is 3 minus 1? 2. So this is what we get. So the answer is equal to what? Right here is equal to what? 2 plus 3 is what? We get 5. And then 2 root 3 plus root 3. This is the same as 2x plus x. So we get what? 3 root what? Root 3. So plus what? 3 root what? Root 3. All over what? All over 2. This is the answer you get. You just leave it. Leave it like this. Okay? Hope you understand this. Yes, so this is plus. You can factorize square root of 3 out. Use factorize square root of 3 out. Get square root of 3 into bracket. You get 2 plus 1. So 3. This is what we get. So this is the first term. This is what we are watching for this first term. So let we change the second term. Second term is what? Square root of what? Square root of 3 minus 1 all over what? All over 2 plus square root of what? 3. So this is what we have. We are rationalizing. So the conjugate of this is what? 2 plus. So the conjugate of 2 plus square root of 3 is what? 2 minus square root of 3. So we write write what? The same given set, okay? So we have square root of 3 minus 1 divided by what? This given set, which is 2 plus square root of what? Square root of 3. So this is the given set. Have you seen? Then we multiply it by how the conjugate and divide by the same conjugate, which is what? The conjugate is 2 minus square root of 3 all over 2 minus square root of what? 3. This is the conjugate, okay? Yes. So that's what this is what you get, okay? So this is equal to what? Then multiply the numerators together and then the denominators together, okay? So this is what we get, square root of 3 minus what? Minus 1. This is multiplying, and then 2 minus square root of what? 3. Multiplying all over what? 2 plus square root of 3 multiplying 2 minus square root of what? 3, which are difference of 2 squares. These two body are conjugates. Okay, so this is the same as what? Square root of 3. We will multiply the whole thing. This thing I take my time to write, but we conversant with this, and then minus 1 will also go multiply the whole thing. Okay, 2 minus square root of what? 3. Okay, and then divided by here. I'll write the answer straight. So this is difference of 2 squares. You get 2 squared minus square root of 3 all squared. Huh? If you like, you can expand. So the answer we get for this was 2 squared minus square root of what? 3. All what? All squared. So then they will get 1 here. Yes, so this is equal to what? This is equal to, we have this, to square root of 3 times 2. What do we get? We get 2 root what? 2 root 3. 2 root 3, and then square root of 3 times negative square root of 3, get negative square root of 9. Okay, and then negative 1 times positive 2. Negative 1 times positive 2, you get what? Negative 2. And then negative 1 times negative square root of 3, you get positive square root of 3. How you know these things? These basic things. Yes, okay. So 2 squared is what? 4. And then square root of 3 all squared, you get what? 3. Okay. Yes, so let us come down here. So you get this equals to 2 root 3, 2 root what? 2 root 3. Then we have minus what? Square root of 9 is what? 3. And then minus 2, which is minus 2. And then plus square root of what? 3. All over, which is 4 minus 3 is what? 1, which is the same as that. So the final answer you get what? This is what you get. Okay, you get can rearrange. You have 2 root 3, and well, this set. So you send it, you rearrange them. So this is positive plus root what? Root 3, and then minus 2, minus 3 minus 2 is what? Negative 5. Okay, all over 1 is the same as the same thing. So this is what we have. So this is what we get: 2 root 3 plus root 3. We get 3 root 3. So 3 root what? 2 root 3 minus what? 5. So this is what we get. In other words, this is the same as what? Negative 5 plus what? Plus 3 root what? 3 root 3. Okay, I'll write it as this. Okay, so this is the answer we have for this, and the previous answer. Also, we had this for this previous answer. Okay, for the previous answer, or the answer for the what? For the first term. So this is to me that this is this one minus this is equal to what is the answer of this? The result of this is this one. So it means that I will write this is equal to the result, which is what? 5 plus what? 5 plus 3 root what? Root 3 all over 2. And then we have minus. Have you seen minus? So minus. So let me, I will take this one. I will write this because of the minus. You can confuse. Let me write it in this nature. This form. So we have minus what? Minus. So this is minus. Okay. So minus. You can put bracket here. You are subtracting minus 3 with what? With 3 minus 5. This is the same as, it's all over what? All over 1. The same as, it's the same as over 1. I hope you know that. Yes. So you have to what? You have to find the LCM. This time the denominators are whole numbers, are rational numbers. So you find the LCM. Okay. You find the LCM. So what will be the LCM? Let me write it here. The LCM is what? The LCM is 2. Okay. The LCM is 2 goes into 2 1. So 1 times the whole of this, you get 1 times what? 5 plus what? 3 root what? 3 root 3. Okay. Yes. And then 1 goes into 2. You get 2. 2 times this is negative. You get negative 2. Then to go and multiply this. Okay. 3 root 3 minus what? Minus 5. Okay. So this is what you get. 3 root 3 minus 5. So let us continue. Let's go up here. Okay. So this is equal to what? Get 1 times. You get the same thing. 5 plus 3 root what? Root 3. Okay. Then negative 2 times positive 3 root 3. Negative. So this is, you know that 3 root 3 is the same as 3 times root 3. So the negative 2 will multiply the 3, which are they call the integers or rational numbers. So negative 2 times positive 3, you get negative 6. You get negative 6 root 3 there. Okay. And then negative 2 times negative 5, you get positive 10. Okay. All over what? All over 2. All over 2. This is equal to what? You get, so you can rearrange them. So you see the 5 is here, we add a 5, and then the another, this is a rational number or integer, bring it positive. And then we have plus what? 3 root 3, have you seen? 3 root 3, and then minus 6 root what? Root 3. All over what? All over 2. Okay. So let us come down here. We are coming down here to continue. Let's come down here. Continue. Okay. So this is equal to what? Is equal to is equal to here. We have 5 plus 10 is what? 15. Have you seen? And then 3 root 3 minus 6 root 3. What will be the answer? The answer will be negative 3 root 3. I hope you understand, guys. You understand? This is the 3 root 3 minus 6 root what? Root 3. This is the same as 3s minus 6s, which is next. So it's equal to, you can factorize square root of 3 out, and you get what? 3. Get 3 here, and then minus 6. Have you seen? Which equals to square root of 3. 3 minus negative of 3. So negative 3 times root 3, negative 3 root 3. So we get negative 3 root what? Root 3. All over 2 as your answer, which can be written as what? 15 over 2 minus 3 root 3 all over 2. Which is the same as what? 15 over 2 minus, you can write it as 3 over 2 root what? Root 3 as your answer. Okay, guys, I hope you are enjoying. This is not difficult at all. Understanding is fun. You have to understand. If you understand, though, because you don't have speech, how I've written it, you really need understanding. If you understand, think this is not you be able to arrange everything. No, but thank you for watching, guys. Guys, what can you do? What the only thing you can do to let me know that this is helping you is what? By subscribing. Just subscribe and share. Share it with your friends. And keep your comment coming. Like it, share. Don't forget to hit the bell notification icon so that if I upload additional videos, you'll be automatically notified. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video, guys.